I will teach you, my friend, how the voltage injection work. How? Please attention. Okay, attention please. Let's assume, for example, that we have here, let's assume that we have here the VN, okay? Then here we have a diode over here for protection. After that, we have here, for example, Q1, two MOSFETs, another MOSFET here, Q2, okay, my friends? And of course, here we have ceramic capacitors connected to the ground, two ceramic capacitors connected to the ground. Please attention, I will show you how the voltage injection or the current injection, I prefer to say current injection work. And then, for example, we have here a resistor, and then we have here, let's see, we have here an IC, and we have other ceramic capacitors, etc. Let's see, we have another ceramic capacitor connected to the ground. We have here another one here connected to the ground. Okay, my friends, and let's see, we have here a capacitor like this. Okay, and we have here a resistor, and over here we have a capacitor connected to the ground. Nice. I will show you how the voltage injector work, my friends. Basically, my friends, the voltage injector, how it works. Basically, we have the currents, okay, the currents. The rule for the current is that the current always flow in the lowest, or the part that is not resistive, maybe low resistance, the part that has a low resistance. Let's assume, for example, we have the current here, okay, it will pass in the side, etc. Let's assume, for example, if we have the shorted one is the diode, the current will go in this side here, but here we will get a big flow or a huge flow of current. A huge flow of current here, just a small current flow. Okay, here very huge, means this one will be burned out, will be very hot, and then it will be, because we have the current go into low resistive path. But if this one is good and for example this one, for example, is the bad one, the same, here a little bit current, here a little bit current, and here a lot of current, because this one connected to the ground and this one will be very hot. This is how the voltage injector work. And of course the thermal camera, you can see the hotted components.